Good morning. Hello everyone. Today I'm unboxing my new Xiaomi 13T Pro. Basically this is going to be replace my Redmi Note 10 Pro for the past 2 years now. So let's take a around the box. Before unboxing of it, on the right it says MI or Xiaomi logo. It says Xiaomi 13T Pro co-engineered with Leica. On the left and the right side of the box it says Xiaomi 13T Pro with your favorite Google apps. At the bottom I got the meadow green variant with 16GB 1TB variant. And obviously at the top nothing. Alright, so let's go unboxing this, shall we? Very satisfied to open. Right here it says Xiaomi and it says designed by Xiaomi. You got SIM injector pin and you have quick start guide, warranty card and safety information. And you do have a case right here, looks neat. And right here you have the phone itself. Whew, it looks beauty. And I quite like this color, it looks very beautiful. It has own charm. So let's put this aside. And what's underneath, you have a 120-watt adapter. That's pretty neat. I love it. And you have USB-A to USB-C cable. Alright, there's nothing else in the box. Let's have a recap what's inside the box. You have USB-A to USB-C cable, 120-watt adapter, the casing, safety information, warranty card, and manual, quick start guides, and the phone itself. Okay, let's set it up and boot it up for the first time. But first, I'm gonna take off the plastic. Oops, sorry for that. It looks unique in this color. Alright, let's turn it on for the first time. MIUI 14 or MIUI 14 in the name of. Let's get started. Choose language, English United States, which is my current language actually. Next, choose your region, Malaysia. Terms and conditions, agree, check for SIM card. I'll do this later. Next, set a Wi-Fi. I will be right back. Oops, I did wrong, but it's okay. I will be right back in a minute. Alright, I apologize for that. I got the correct Wi-Fi password, so let's connect. Yay, it's connected already. Next. Get ready for your device. And battery is 51% partial. Very good. And the vibration haptic feedback is super good. I really loved it. Let's take a while for a few minutes. Okay, just a few moments. Copy apps and data. Don't copy yet because I will do this later. Sign into my Google account. I will just be right back. Alright, I just signed in my Google account. Let's give it an update enough for now. But yes, I in. Terms and conditions, agree. Getting account info. Sorry for the notification. I apologize for that. Of the notification. Google services. Accept. Now, lock screen setup. Let's go for fingerprint. Go with the pin. So, just be right back in a minute. Okay, before I set up this, you better read this right here. It says, screen protector tip. Screen protectors may interfere, with the screen. Sorry, once again. Fingerprint recognition. I'm gonna start it again. It says, screen protector tip. Screen protectors may interfere with the screen fingerprint recognition. We recommend using an official Xiaomi film if you acquire a screen protector. Don't show that. Got it. Alright, set the fingerprint. Quite liked it. It's wow, it's quite done. We set up, continue, set it up, let's continue. Google Assistant, I agree, more, agree. Okay, Google Pay, skip. Anything else? No thanks. Alright, this is basic settings. Now, personalized ads off. Got turn off the ads. Okay. Wallpaper cell skip. Choose your launch default app drawer. App recommendation. Nope. Next. Prepare system. Sorry, I meant preparing systems. Just a sec. And setup is complete. You are ready to rock. Let's get started. Yay! So my new phone is set up. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing and set it up and boot it up for the first time of my new Xiaomi 13T Pro. 16GB, 1TB in meadow green. Anyways, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Peace.